Gaia's garden. So this will be the last time that I say, I realize you can't see my fingers, etc. And there's your bronze chest and possible rewards and the time factor and the reward points in the chalice. Once you get past this, you should know that all that stuff, right? So we're going to go play again. So click on the little star. We need a Gaia statue restored. So all we're going to do is we're going to merge a bunch of these sprouts. They're going to generate a heart because we don't have any dragons yet to harvest hearts. So they will do some hearts. And now they've cleared a space next to that Gaia statue so that now we can just move that over and bang, got the Gaia statue. Level's complete. It's all good.